Hello everyone, today we're gonna see what is Django in Python programming. In this we're gonna learn introduction to Django, what is Django and characteristics, also like how is Django used. So firstly we're gonna see about introduction to Django. Your Django is high level Python web framework which helps to maintain the websites. It also uses MVT, which means Model View Template. So the next one we're gonna see about what is Django. In Django, it contains three types. One is open source and free, Python based, and rapid development. So in open source and free, it helps to use modifications and distributions, whereas in Python based, Django is written in Python based. It uses its simplicity and readability, and whereas in rapid development, in this it included batteries. Also, like it allows developers to build web applications quickly. So the next one we gonna see Django architecture. In Django architecture, it contains three types. One is model, view, and template. So we gonna see model. In model, it handles application data, which means it helps to manage the data interactions. In view, it helps in request retires about from the model, and also it prepares the response to the render. And in template, it helps to handle presentation of data. So the next one we gonna see about Django ORM and model. So in this it handles three models. One is define model, manage data, and migrations. In define model, it uses ORM, which means object rational mapping, and also it helps the developers to define database models in Python. And whereas in manage data, it provides powerful API for creating, retrieving, updating, and deleting the data without writing a row SQL. Whereas in migration, the system simplifies the process of making changes to the database scheme over time. So the next one we gonna see Django URL routing. So in this there are three types of URL routing. One is URL pattern and dynamic URLs and namespacing. In URL pattern, it helps to find the path of appropriate view, and also enabling clean and SEO friendly URLs. And the next one is dynamic URL. In dynamic URL, it includes dynamic parameter, and also it includes more flexible and powerful URL based navigation. And whereas in namespacing, Django helps to organize and manage complex URL structure in large scale applications. So the next one is Django admin interface. It contains customizable and access control and data management. So Django can be customized so easily, and also it helps to match branding and design of your application. Whereas in access control, in Django, the admin system provides to control over user permission. Also, it helps to allow the secure and role based access. Whereas in data management, it offers powerful and initiative way to manage your application. So lastly, we're gonna see about conclusion and steps. So your Django is very useful in our life. It also helps to develop a website and application. It is well secured in human life, and also I by learning mastering of Django, we can create powerful feature rich web project with focus and rapid development of best practices. It is very useful in our life if we use Django, and the developers also uses Django to develop a new website and application. So here we comes to an end. Hope you have learned and hope you cleared all your doubts, and thank you so much for watching my video.